That was beautiful. I'm in the key of B flat, and these are simple chord progressions. 1, 5, 4, 5. 1, 5, 4, and 5. That's all in B flat. So B flat, F, E flat, F. I hope you can see the chords as shown on the neck diagram, right? B flat, F, E flat, F. That is 1, 5, 4, and 5. Alright, and that's the progression all the other instruments are playing. The guitarist, a rhythm guitarist can play this. Is that nice? Okay, just follow it slowly and you can play it. I'm not going to explain it. That's all. That is mi so do, mi do, ti re ti, fa la do, ti re ti. That's all. 1, 5, 4, 5 in B flat, and then the leader can go into the higher registers. I'm somewhere between this is 12, 13, 14, 15 frets, and play. What are the notes? So, do, mi, do, la, do, ti, so, re, mi, re. Then la, do, fa, do, la, do, ti, so, re, mi, re. That's all. And there's some trick. I hold the so and then the re together, and I hammer on a mi and bring it back with one finger. And I add the main. In case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a pro, hey, where else would you like to look? Pick the numbers on the screen and give Spratz a call. It doesn't matter your level. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced student, I have courses for you. Come on. Come and let's do it. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, there are beautiful tutorials here. especially when it is about gospel and African music. This is the best channel. This is it, the best channel. Please subscribe and describe our page to others. I'm Spratz. See you next week for another interesting tutorial.